Dear children of grade 2nd, this is the English subject and we are taking the grammatical part from the chapter Wind and the Sun. At first we will come to know that what is the degree of comparison. Dear children, you know that the compare word means when you compare something with other or some person with other, then the comparison word is used. And the degree means if the comparison goes from one level to the another, then the intensity of that comparison increases from one step to the another one. So today we will learn the first comparison degree, from the basics to the first comparison degree. At first there is the definition that when some words like the describing words or the adverbs, when they changes into some other form, they are used for the comparison. Some words, adjectives or adverbs changes into other forms when they are used for comparison are known as the degrees of comparison. Now dear children, the degrees of comparison are categorized into three parts: the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. But in this video we will compare, or we will go for the second level only. The first one is the positive degree. When there is no comparison, at that time the words, the adjectives or the adverbs used are known as the positive degree words. Means if you are telling the quality of some object, or if you are telling the quality of some verb, then that particular word or that degree of comparison is the positive degree of comparison. Means there is no comparison with that particular word. Means someone is strong, someone is happy, someone is fast. Means that one thing is used for this, one thing is used for this once. Means there, and in between one thing there is no comparison, all of you know. So where is the comparison? Let us go ahead. The comparative degree: when two objects are compared, at that time the words used as the positive degree are changed in the comparative form of the degree. जब दो सब ऑब्जेक्ट्स कंपेयर किए जाते हैं तो उस टाइम पर जो वर्ड या एडजेक्टिव उसके लिए कंपैरिजन के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं, तो उस समय पर जो बेसिक डिग्री थी, जो पॉजिटिव डिग्री थी, वो कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म ऑफ डिग्री में बदल जाती है. जैसे कि स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिक एडजेक्टिव वर्ड है, जबकि अब ये स्ट्रॉन्गर में चेंज हो जाएगा जब आप किन्हीं दो ऑब्जेक्ट्स को, दो पर्सन को कंपेयर करते हैं. जैसे एक टेबल कम स्ट्रॉन्ग है, एक ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, तो कम स्ट्रॉन्ग स्ट्रॉन्ग कहलाएगी और दूसरी स्ट्रॉन्गर दैन द फर्स्ट वन. इसी तरह से हैप्पी एक एडजेक्टिव है, कोई और दूसरा ज़्यादा हैप्पी है तो उसके लिए हैप्पियर वर्ड यूज़ होगा. फास्ट एक एडवर्ब है, ये एक क्रिया है, काम करना है. ये विशेषता बताता है कि कोई कैसे तेज़ चल रहा है या फिर धीरे चल रहा है. और फास्टर, यदि कोई उससे भी तेज़ चल रहा है तो वो उसका कंपैरिजन हो गया दूसरे थिंग के साथ या फिर दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ या लिविंग थिंग के साथ में. तो इस तरह से हम जो डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन है उनको फर्स्ट लेवल मीन्स पॉजिटिव डिग्री से पढ़ा हमने, और जो सेकंड लेवल है कंपैरिजन का वो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री होता है. थर्ड लेवल मीन्स यदि दो ऑब्जेक्ट से ज़्यादा भी यदि कंपैरिजन करना हो या दो ऑब्जेक्ट से ज़्यादा के बीच में कंपैरिजन है तो उसके लिए एक अलग डिग्री, अलग वर्ड यूज़ होते हैं जिन्हें हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे. आज हम इसी बेस पर एक एक्टिविटी करते हैं जो कि कुछ इस तरह से है. Here is an activity that you have to change the following sentences by changing the positive degree into the comparative degree. And the first sentence is here, he is strong. Then if two things are compared, two persons are compared, then the positive degree will change into the comparative and the sentence will become like this, that he is dash of the two. He is, you have to change this positive degree into the comparative degree. So what is the comparative degree of strong? Yes, stronger. So here what will come? That he is stronger of 2. I am happy. I am happier than my sister. So here the comparison is between I and my sister. The lion runs fast, but the tiger runs faster than lion. So when two things to compare it to objects to animals are compared, at that time the positive degree changes into the comparative degree. Now let us learn some degrees. When you have to change some degrees to the comparative ones, then you have to know about that what will be the comparative degree of the positive. So you should learn and write them. The comparative degree of big is bigger, black is blacker, difficult is more difficult. It is not necessary that in every comparative degree that er will be used. Sometimes the more word is also used there. The comparative of fat is fatter, the comparative of old is older, and the quiet is quieter, then thin is thinner, the weak is weaker, then comparative of wise is wiser, and then young is younger. So how you have to practice it, that you have to make the sentences this house is big, that house is bigger than the first, my sweater is black, your sweater is blacker than my sweater. So like this you have to use all these words and you have to frame the sentences from these also. This is your task that you have to do in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.